These are the general information about Tuan Le Construction Company Limited. Let's begin with TLC general information. Our company was established on 25th March of 2009 and have 8 years of mainly experience on construction of factory, industrial projects, and commercial projects. The strengths of our company are TLC policies working with only foreign clients, which means we have international standard and not to work with Vietnamese clients. TLC always commits to bring the highest quality, schedule and safety, and most effective for each and every project. We have experience in fast-track projects such as First Solar, Nestle, and Pepsi. We have experience in lead loader standards projects such as Swire and Bell. Flexible management system and focus on key management persons. This will facilitate to meet the client requirements in achieving project targets and speed up on-site problem solving. TLC is awarded for ISO 9001-2008, OHSAS 18001 of 2007, and Green Certificate for VGBC. We move on to the reference of commercial projects. First, the DH Taotian project. We have the total contract amount of $35 million as main contractor for the supply, installation, complete and subsequent maintenance for high-rise apartment buildings, which includes 1 basement, 22 upper floors, a total construction area approximately of 60,000 square meters. Scopes of works includes the redesigned structure works, construction of civil structure, finishing and MEP works, which is 273 keys and 54 to 110 square meter per flat. Our client, Capital Land, consultants, PNT, J. Roger Preston, Tam & Wong, FPS, Salas Landscapes. Next, the Hampstead Hotcham project. We have a total contract amount of $5 million as main contractor for the supply, installation, complete and subsequent maintenance for the high-rise E-Tower building works, which is 160 keys. Our client, Emerald Beach Hotcham Company Limited, our consultant, AIC Management Consulting. The next project, the Nyongchak City Center. The total contract amount of $8 million as main contractor for the supply, installation, complete and subsequent maintenance for the piling works, basement works, structural works. Our client, the IJM Land, our consultant, JHT Construction. Our next project, the 9 South Estate project. We have the total contract amount of $15 million as main contractor for 185 villas, 10 show villas, and recreation clubhouse and swimming pool. Our client, Vina Capital, consultant, Pure Projects. Let's move on to the Ocean Estates project. We have a total contract amount of $12 million as main contractor for 33 luxury villas. Our client, the Vina Capital, our consultant, Pure Projects. Our next project is the Rivera Cove project. We have a total contract amount of $5,200,000 as main contractor for the supply, installation of foundations, superstructures, and subsequent maintenance of the superstructure. Finishing and MEP works including 36 villas and embankment and water body works. Our client, Keppel Land, consultant, ICIC. Let's discuss the reference of international projects. First, the Nestle Vietnam Bomsen Factory, a food and beverage factory. Total contract amount of $23 million as main contractor for complete supply delivery, installation, and subsequent maintenance of civil and MEP works for Nestle Bomsen Factory, which is located at Thang Long 2 Industrial Park, Yên My District, Hong Yên Province, Vietnam. This project requires international HSE standard. Our client, Nestle Vietnam Limited, and our consultant, BECA. Let's move on to Heineken Quang Nam Greenfield, a beverage factory. Total contract amount of $5,500,000 as main contractor for main civil works and subsequent maintenance of new food factory. Our client, BBL Quang Nam Company Limited, and our consultant, Developing Vietnam Company Limited. Moving on is the Coca-Cola Da Nang factory, a beverage factory. We have a total contract amount of $2,500,000 as main contractor for complete supply and civil MEP and infrastructure works and subsequent maintenance works for new food factory. Our client, Coca-Cola Beverages Vietnam Limited, our consultant, the TOY. Next, the Bell Greenfield ASEAN factory, a food factory. We have a total contract amount of $5 million as CNS finishing contractor for complete supply and civil and infrastructure works and subsequent maintenance works for new food factory. Our client, Bell Vietnam Company Limited, our consultant, Archetype Vietnam Company Limited. We move on to Tata Coffee Vietnam factory, a food and beverage factory. We have a total contract amount of $5 million as main contractor for complete supply and civil infrastructure works and subsequent maintenance works for few factory project. Our client, Tata Coffee Vietnam, our consultant, C's Consultant. Next is Heineken Tinh Giang Welfare Block, a food and beverage factory. We have a total contract amount of $1,500,000 as main contractor for complete supply and civil and MEP installation works and subsequent maintenance works for welfare block. Our client, Heineken Brewery Limited, or the HVB, and our consultant, Haskening Vietnam Limited, or the RHV. Last but not the least, the Q Industries showroom. We have a total contract amount of $2 million as main contractor for complete supply and civil, MEP, and infrastructure works and subsequent maintenance works for new food factory. Our client, the Q Industries and Trade, and our consultant, Pure Project Consultants.